Hi, my name is Shusharat and this is me here, and today I'm going to talk to you through the steps in the installation of Windows Server 2008. Firstly, I want to introduce to you the environment or tool I am going to use to run this operating system, because I don't want to uninstall my Windows 7 Ultimate Edition. I'm going to use the software named Oracle VM VirtualBox. You can get VirtualBox via the internet. First, I will load my web browser, that's Google, that I am using right now. Right, and then I'm going to type in my search box, download Sun's VirtualBox. Then I will click the search option below here. Right, and a number of options would appear, but I will want to choose the one with the sun.com on it. When I double click on the Sun VirtualBox CDK download Sun's Microsoft, this web page will appear. I am going to double click on this option, Sun VirtualBox SDK, double click on it, and this window will appear. Then I will click save. They will say where you exactly want to save this in, or where the name that you would like to save it as, and then press save. This is how it will look while it is saving. And then where I had saved it, a Windows installer package will come up where you can install the VirtualBox. So I'll double click on the Windows installer package, and this option will come up. It's either you will run or cancel, and I will choose to run this VirtualBox. Now on my desktop you will see the option. I had created a shortcut named Oracle VM VirtualBox. I will double click on it. It takes a while to load. Okay, and this is my Oracle VM VirtualBox manager. Let me just go through the options so you can have a brief idea of what is taking place. You have the new, it have on the file tab, you have virtual media manager, import appliance, export appliance, preferences, access, under machine, new, add, under help, contents, VirtualBox, website, reset all warnings, check for updates about VirtualBox. Now this VirtualBox is actually an environment where we can actually have virtualization taking place. Okay, now I would like to create a new virtual hard disk. So I'm going to double click on it. This wizard comes up. Click next. Give it a name. So I will type it in as my project. Windows Server 2008. It have a lot of options here you can choose, but it's a Microsoft Windows I am going to create, and it's a Windows 2008 server. So I click that and I click next. Now I reach to the memory. My base memory, you could choose from up to 2048 megabytes, but I would like to say like the 512 megabytes, because I don't really have enough gig or RAM on my machine. to deal with this virtualization environment because it consumes a lot of memory. I click next. I leave the boot hard disk on and then I use create a new hard disk. Don't use the existing hard disk because it will overwrite my hard disk that I have currently. Click next and this will just come up. I click next again. Now there are two choices to choose from here under the hard disk storage. Either dynamically expanded storage or fixed size storage. A dynamically expanded storage initially occupies a very small amount of space on your physical hard disk. It will grow dynamically up to the size specified as the guest OS claims the space, whereas fixed size storage does not grow. It is stored in a file of approximately the same size as the size of the virtual hard disk. The creation of a fixed size storage may take a long time depending on the storage size and the write performance of your hard disk. So I will choose the fixed size storage. Click next. Now this wizard now comes up and I had to choose a location of where I would like to save my project. I could save it on the desktop under Custard OS platform. Create a new folder in here and save it as Windows my project Windows Server 2008 and today's date is 13th April 2011. Okay, and press save. Now as this is where I will save my hard disk file, and then I'll select the 20 gigabytes storage space. Then I will click next, then finish. As you can see, it's creating a fixed medium storage unit here. Okay, and I could click X to cancel this, or I could wait until it finishes. As you can see, it is take a while to load, so I'm going to pause my video for a couple minutes and until it reaches closer to the ending of it. Okay, when you finish installing that, it will come up with this option and you click finish. As you can see, it has been, the screen will come up. Server 2008 is already in this area, and it is powered off. So now before we install it, I want to do some setup and cleanup procedures. So I am going to click settings, tab. And my settings tab. And in my settings tab, there's a lot of options in which you can choose from. I would choose I go through them. On the network, I will choose network for my adapter 1. I'm going to leave it to my default NAT, which is normally used in this virtualization environment, and I'm going to advanced. Go to advanced and select this ITEL Pro 1000 MT desktop 82540 which makes it easier to connect when we want to join a couple a virtual machines together in a virtualized environment. Then I will click OK. Now we are going to install operating system, so let's power on my virtual environment server 2008. Select the blue button, click on it, double click on it, next, and then select OK, then click next. Then select the media which contains the setup program of the operating systems you want to install. Must be bootable, otherwise the setup will not be able to start. So I'll select where it is, local